Hey guys, I'm Corey, Two Fat Guys Overland Adventures. Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the Ozark National Forest, some places that are pretty familiar to us, Carwash Falls and Union School. Something that might not be familiar to you as a viewer is our new buddy, Bear. Now we found Bear as a stray. I didn't have the heart to take him to a shelter, so guess what? Now he's ours. Yes, I searched for his owner. We actually found her. By the time it's all said and done, she would prefer that we kept him. She just works a lot of hours.
You're doing knucklehead.
We'll give him the time that he needs. I've seen Zoe. Zoe likes to explore during the daytime hours, but she's not really a camping dog, and she doesn't like to travel too much. She doesn't like riding around in the vehicle. And you remember my boy Rocket. Rocket had to be put down last December because of cancer, and really hard to do that. I know other pet owners have had to do that in the past. One of the toughest things we can do.
Jump in, Kobe. A little deep there.
Well, since Zoe doesn't like to go camping and exploring and doing all that stuff, we'll teach Bear how to do it. So in our future videos, you'll see Sean has Kobe the Adventure Dog. I have Bear. We're going to have to come up with some sort of funny nickname for him too. This is Forest Service Road 2000. I've always thought it was a really cool road. It leads to Carwash Falls and some of our other campsites that we like to use quite often. All right, Bear, this is called Carwash Falls right here. It's kind of a little trickle today because it's not haven't had very much rain, but here's your first experience with Carwash Falls, buddy. Look at that. That perked your ears up, didn't it? You didn't quite know what that was, did you? Hey guys, we're down here at Little Creek Campsite. You may have noticed a new addition to the pack right here. There he goes. That's Bear. Trying to teach him how to be a camp dog. Right now he's just a little nut job, little Humpty dog. So there's Kobe. Kobe's had to let Bear know a couple of times that he needs to straighten up. They're right, Kobe. Yeah, I'm filming you. We were going to go to the Big Rock campsite and have lunch, but we decided to just stop right here instead. The road's rough and we hadn't aired down yet. So I got the set power cooler with us and doing great as always. So had our lunch set up in it. Good to go. Now where in the world did that dog go? Oh. He came back up out of the creek. There he is. You getting your zoomies? You getting your zoomies? Of course you stop doing zoomies as soon as I start videoing. There he goes. Kobe. It's just a really pretty drive. The way the big boulders are sitting up on the side, then you have the ledges with the cliffs, and then you have Carwash Falls pouring over one. Sometimes, like right now, it's during the summertime, so it's just barely a trickle right now. But you know, there's times when you can get out here and Carwash Falls is really flowing, just like the creek that you have to cross to get to it. I don't know, sometimes I think people just get too concerned about the destination. They don't think about the trip getting there. So, you know, every now and then you just need to kind of stop, look around, take it all in, because it's a beautiful trip in a lot of these places just to get to where you're going. So, like I say, this is one of my favorite drives right here. Have a big piney down the hill from me there a little bit. Some of the creek crossings that you have to go over, just all the rocks and the ledges and everything all together. Some of the great campsites that we come to. This is just one of my favorite places to go. So if you're ever out in the Ozark National Forest and you're looking for a really pretty drive, try Forest Service Road 2000. You'll be glad you did. And if you have driven it, drop a few words in the comments. Tell us what you like about it. And while you're at it, be sure to smash, like, and subscribe. Hit that alerts button too, that way you'll get all the fresh content. Looks like Bear's already worn himself out. We still got another stop to make. It's always fun when you want to try to get a good shot for a thumbnail, and you just have a puppy that doesn't want to cooperate. This is Union School. If you've seen our videos in the past, you know we've been here a few times. Union School is a pretty cool old place. Used to be a school, a community center, burned down one time, was rebuilt, and now it's just a good tourist attraction. And the folks who operate it, it's a private operation, and they take donations and all that stuff. So if you stop in, throw a little bit of money in the box they've got outside, let them help keep this operation going. It's a pretty cool place. Bear. Look at that. Well, that didn't take any time to teach. Well, going up and downstairs, don't bother him. Even better. All right, I think the newbie's had about all they can stand for the day. He's ready to call it a day. Bear, did you have fun? He's gonna sleep all the way home, I guarantee it. Sean, what'd you think?
Awesome. Great dog.
Great dog. Time to get back out on the trails. Where'd Kobe go?
Kobe sitting in, chilling, waiting on time to go.
Kobe is saying, dude, enough filming. Let's go home. All right, so as always, getting out to explore.
Make sure you like, smash, and subscribe.
See you later. Have a great weekend. And yes, he slept all the way home.